trimming the leaves to your plant. Very important. Why you need to actually cut off excess leaves from your plant. You must understand that excess leaves take up energy that the plant needs to actually grow fast and grow well. When you have excess leaves, they share the nutrients the plant needs to actually grow. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to Stagro Farms. And so today I'm going to show us how to actually take the measurement. When we talk about the measurement, we're looking at the stem. Okay, this is our measuring tape. So we're going to actually take the measurement of the base. So what you're going to do now, like I said, this is 5 months old. At 6 months, we're going to take the measurement again. So let's do that. Let's know how many centimeter when we talk about the perimeter shape. Okay, so our measurement, what we have here is a 50 centimeters. So what we have there is actually 50 centimeters. So let's 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters. We have 40 centimeters. Okay. Okay. $50 centimeters. So we have similar size with that of the first one we measured. So let's also let's take the measurement of this. Let's see what we have here. We have a 30. Keep taking their measurement at a monthly interval while they are actually bulging out. Their growing rate very important. So what we have here is 50 centimeters, and then the first one as well 50 centimeters. So let's look at the essence of actually mulching your banana. If you look closely, you will see we actually keep some grasses, that's the withered grasses at the base of the banana. So what this does is of course basically is mulching, but what it does is that it prevents excess heat from penetrating to the root, and it conserves moist. If I bring my camera close, you will see that here is very wet. The last time we had rain was 2 days ago, but if you look closely, here is very wet inside. So it conserves water, and your banana needs water very well, so prevent excessive heat from actually attacking the base of the plant, and then thereby leaving your banana base with enough water till the time of irrigation or rain. So it's very important. So if you look, you see that we have a good number of them in that manner. We kept the mulching here, likewise the rest of them. So it's very important. Mulching helps your banana, it helps them to conserve enough water, and also prevents heat. So you can see as well, see these ones. See, you can see enough. There is enough water conservation. Yes, you see, this is a new soccer coming up. So this is the kind of environment they love. They love that kind of environment, always wet, enough water for them. So very important equipment. So I'm also going to show us how to actually trim your bananas. Why your bananas need to be constantly trimmed. I will show us how you can trim and then get the best of your bananas. So, and if you look closely, you will see that we've actually carried out our weeding. And this is not the way our farm was looking the last time. Then you will see that if you look closely, you see that we've actually weeded and our farm is looking neat right now. And that is it. That is it. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to tell us the essence of actually trimming your plants, trimming the leaves to your plant. Very important. Why you need to actually cut off excess leaves from your plant. You must understand that excess leaves take up energy that the plant needs to actually grow fast and grow well. So when you have excess leaves, they share the nutrients the plant needs to actually grow. They share, just like when you have 10 persons in a bowl of plates, 10 persons in a bowl of plates, and you have 5 persons in a bowl of plates, different plates. Now, you find out that when the 10 persons consume the food, they might not be satisfied, but you don't compare them to the number of 5 that consume the other bowl of plates. They might consume the other bowl of plates and they are satisfied, but the ones on 10 plates might not be satisfied. So that's what we have here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 leaves on a plant. So they share the nutrients, the excess nutrients, they share. But once you cut off some of these leaves, what happens is that these ones have enough nutrients, have enough energy to actually grow, and they're going to do what? They're going to grow faster now. So that's why you need to always trim your banana plants. You cut off excess leaves, and then always make sure the leaves are kept at the base of your bananas. This will also decay and add to the manure that your plant actually need to grow. Very well.